Did your boyfriend tell you that he no longer wants a relationship with you? Did he say that he doesn't feel that connection of love with you anymore and he broke up with you? Well, not everything's lost for you, and there is still a huge probability that your new ex will come back to your life. I know a lot of questions would pop up in your mind, and the prominent one out of those would be, how can that happen? There is something called dumper's remorse, and in this video I will dig deep into what's dumper remorse and how can that help you get your lover back into your life. Subscribe to my channel University of Obsession for more videos on this topic and other relationship advice and tips videos for women. My aim here is to help you make your guy get completely obsessed with you. Before I talk about the dumper's remorse, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever experienced a feeling of regret after you have bought something? Like you really wanted a dog and you got one, but now that you have to live with that dog and your decision, you think, why did you even buy something in the first place? A pet dog is just an example. That item could be anything from a brand new iPhone to the latest smartwatch. You are happy to have it for the first few days and then kind of regret why did you buy it. Well, this feeling is called buyer's remorse and it is somewhere related to dumper's remorse. Your boyfriend, after breaking up with you, can experience the same feeling of regret after announcing to you that he wants a breakup. The time for this feeling to take birth in him can take anywhere from 2 days to 2 months or even more. This depends on that individual and the kind of relationship you guys had. Before the breakup, he felt that he is not experiencing the bond and connection you guys used to have before, and that's why the breakup is the only solution to this problem. But you got to understand his psychology behind it. The psychology is similar to a buyer who wants to buy that shiny item that's on the shelf, but he has no experience of using and living with that item. But after getting the breakup, the dumper's inner conscience is always blaming him for breaking his lover's heart and playing with her emotions. Along with that, he gradually experiences that a breakup is that shining item that attracts you to buy it, but it's hard to live with that in your life. Will the dumper tell you that he regrets breaking up with you? Dumpers don't appear to have any regrets about breaking up with you because they are empowered with relief. For some people, levels of relief are so high that dumpers no longer resemble the same people they were prior to the breakup. More often than not, exes appear completely unaffected by the breakup and almost feel obliged to show the world that they are fine without their dumpies, even if they are not. Since exes say and do things that are not in line with your expectations, we perceive them as cold and cruel. That's why a lot of dumpies can't imagine how their exes were able to change so much in such a short period of time and completely stopped caring about them. Are you experiencing the same like this? But rest assured that your ex has not changed. What your ex did change is his lifestyle and not his behavioral patterns. After your ex has finished experiencing the grass is greener syndrome, your ex will think back and start to miss the relationship and the things he got from you. This applies to you if you provided your ex with money, accommodation, emotional support, materialistic things, and so on. Your ex could miss all the little things you did for him and later on realize that he no longer has these benefits. Your ex might miss the intimacy and the feeling that somebody truly cares for your ex. Sometimes exes are too stubborn to admit they have made a mistake, while sometimes exes admit making a mistake. What you have to do is to establish a no contact rule and give him some time. If you want to know more about the no contact rule and what you need to do in that phase, check out my videos on the no contact rule from the I button above. Does the dumper come back into your life after some time? More often than not, dumpers come back after a while depending upon the relationship you both shared. The dumpers that come back shortly after the separation usually leave very soon again. So basically, the more months go by after the breakup, the better it is for the dumpy. chances of a successful reconciliation increase tremendously when the dumper has spent months apart from the dumpee. And that's because he gains more respect for the abandoned person and feels more pull towards her. People sometimes need some time away from their partners to realize what they have had in past. So, if your dumper dumped you and it's been months since the breakup, consider it a blessing in disguise. I assure you that if you establish a proper no contact rule and stick to it, your ex will return to you pretty soon. How often do male dumpers come back? Male dumpers tend to come back for comfort and assurance. When they abandon their partner, they normally roam around for a while and explore life without his ex-partner. They date other girls and often come to a realization that their ex was much better. And when this happens, dumpies hear a lot of excuses such as I missed you so much, I love you and I need you, I made a mistake, etc. Male dumpers can be very sly and jump from one relationship to another. So before you let your male dumper come back in your life, be aware that he is probably coming back for himself. I hope that you have now got a complete knowledge of dumper's remorse. I have also covered more topics related to dumper's remorse like the psychology of a dumper and the stages that a dumper goes through after a breakup. Be sure to check these videos out as well. You can watch these videos from the I button above in the upper right corner of this video. Be sure to like and share this video if I helped you get back your hope of saving a relationship with your lover. Do you want to get back your ex fast and make him fall madly in love with you and get completely obsessed with you? If yes, check out my free ebook in which I have covered all the tips and advices to not only get back your ex but even strengthen your relationship to the point that he cannot think of anyone else except you. You see, not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free for a limited period of time. The link to this free book is in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel University of Obsession for more relationship advice videos for women and girls. See you in the next video. Take care.